कोण आहे? वेट 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 मॅडम समोर बघा ना. मॅम मॅम
मैम इधर ही रुकिए मैम 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 पूर्वी जी
कमांडो कमांडो कमांडो
अजय सर
अजय सर
अजय सर
अजय सर लेफ्ट
अजय सर इधर अजय सर
थैंक यू.
सचिन सर इधर सचिन सर
समोर समोर समोर
सामने आपके
सचिन सर इधर
Because they are the affected people, we may not be affected to that extent, and I am sure that these films, this message will carry a long lasting impact. It will imprint this message on everyone's.
Thank you very much, sir, and having a very clear vision to upgrade Mumbai in a better way, which we're seeing. Obviously, there's a lot of construction going on, but that's for the betterment, and the balance between environment and development is the great thing, which we have been seeing around this. Now, I move further. I don't need to introduce these gentlemen. These films have made us cry, laugh, and believe in love. But today, he lent his storytelling to the new generation. Public service cinema, his honesty. Personally say all the movies what he made is what all the people sitting here under this roof are fan of his direction, his vision towards Indian cinema. Please welcome the director of Jab We Met, Rockstar, Chamkila, and now the PS film, Mr. Imtiaz Ali ji.
Hello, good afternoon. अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो पर्यावरण का हाल है दुनिया भर में वो ऐसा है कि जब हम लोगों को अप्रोच किया गया और जब मैंने अजय जी को शर्वरी को कहा कि हम ये कर सकते हैं तो सब लोग बहुत जल्दी से तैयार हो गए, क्योंकि हम सबको एहसास है, सब लोग जो यहाँ बैठे उनको भी एहसास है कि इस दुनिया को शायद हम हमेशा के लिए तो नहीं बचा पाएंगे, क्योंकि जो हो चुका है उसको पूरी तरह से रिवर्स करना शायद पॉसिबल नहीं है, मगर हमारे पास सिर्फ एक चारा है कि हम उसको कोशिश करें जितनी देर तक वो हेल्दी रह सके। और जो हमारा भी मैसेज है वो ये है कि धरती अपना ख्याल रख लेगी, हम जो इंसान हैं हमें अपना ख्याल रखना है, और ये हम कर सकते हैं टू बी इफ़ वी आर इन टच विद द अर्थ। जैसा कि अभी भूषण जी ने कहा कि ये पॉलिसी से सिर्फ नहीं हो सकता है, ये कोई चोर पुलिस वाला खेल नहीं है। ये वो वाली फिल्म है जिसमें हर को जागना पड़ेगा एंड हर को थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा। ऑल ऑफ अस ओवर हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री, रोहित, माई सेल्फ, अजय, शर्वरी एंड एवरीबडी हु इज़ नॉट इवन प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर, Rohini, I consider you also part of the film industry, want to contribute. We want to lend our voice, our efforts, our work into taking forward the vision of the BMC, of the government, of the country. And we congratulate Mr. Asif Bangla and his foundation for having such a long sustained battle against not only environmental disasters but various other disasters and other problems. So thank you for being here, and all of us should do what we can to send the message of the earth across. Thank you.
Neeraj Raji from Hangama.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for all your support. Now, as you know, we have the Godrej Industries and a very, very important partner of this Pamela Foundation event, and the group which has been supporting the foundation over 10 years and standing shoulder to shoulder to support all the causes of sustainability. Mr. Vijay Kariyaprat, Chairman of the Ravin Group, to please say a few words.
Thank you, Miraj. I think the eminent people sitting on the dais, but I think the more important people are the ones who are down here, because they are going to carry forward this message of what needs to be done and how they are going to do it. The basic premise of any progress is that first you need to protect what is already existing, and then only you can progress. You cannot deteriorate something and then look to progress. And I think this campaign, which was kicked off on 18th of January by the release of the poster at the hands of the Honorable Governor as well as Ajay Devganji, showed that we are concerned about the environment, and as Mr. Gagrani very correctly said, that it's not a question of celebrities, because ultimately we are all human beings, and human life can only progress, animal life can only progress, plant life can only progress if we humans take care of what is here and what is with us, what is on earth and what is beneath the earth. As I told Ajay ji a few minutes ago, that I loved that line where he said that wiring can be safe only if we are earthed. And since I come from the electrical industry, I hold that very dear to heart, and he's absolutely correct. I'm sure when you see the film, you will connect with it. But most importantly, rather than just giving support and looking at the film and clapping or posting it on the social media, I would request that all of us work hard to leave this world, because here, though we are launching it in Mumbai and we are connecting ourselves with India, but it's not just a question of Mumbai and India, but it's a question of the entire world. So I request that all of us please work, put our hands together to make this world a much better place, or at least not deteriorate further than what we are seeing it today, because now it's a matter of life and death. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay Kariyaprat. Very true. Now, अब जिनके बारे में बोलना चाहूँगा वो सिर्फ धुड़ुम-धाम और गाड़ी उड़ाने की बात करते हैं. Let's give a big round of applause for Mr. Rohit Shetty.
एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बुलाया और इंट्रोडक्शन धूमधाम और गाड़ी उड़ाते हैं. बट आई थिंक ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, एनवायरनमेंट इज एन इशू जिसको हम बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं. एंड एज कमिश्नर सर सेड के इट्स नॉट अ ऑथोरिटी की इशू नहीं है, ये पब्लिक इशू है. व्हेन ही सेड पब्लिक, दैट मीन्स ऑल ऑफ अस, विच इंक्लूड्स एवरीवन. एंड जो ये वीडियो बने हैं जो इम्तियाज़ ने डायरेक्ट की है, अजय सर, शर्वरी have taken the initiative is to create the awareness, because awareness से ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. because जो harm है वो रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में नहीं हो रहा है हम पर, इसलिए शायद हम उसे रियलाइज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट जब वो होता है तो वो बहुत बड़े लेवल पर होता है, एंड वो किसी एक कम्युनिटी या कोई एक सोसाइटी या कुछ लोगों पर नहीं होता है. इट अफेक्ट्स द होल सिटी समटाइम्स, इट अफेक्ट्स द होल कंट्री समटाइम्स, एंड इट अफेक्ट्स मैनकाइंड, आई वुड से. सो आज का जो इनिशिएटिव है इज टू क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स, एंड इट शुड बी लाइक अ चेन कि शुरुआत हम यहाँ से कर रहे हैं, बट ये अवेयरनेस बढ़ती जाए. खास करके आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए हम जैसे हम अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, ये सोच करके अब हमारी जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, आगे जो हमारी फैमिली है, वो आगे कैसे बढ़ेगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट टू द होल coming generation from our side, and that's what I would like to finish with. के I think वीडियो देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि वीडियो बनाने का रीज़न ही ये था कि ज़्यादा बात ना करें और अवेयरनेस डिजिटली कैसे आगे बढ़े.
So you're a role model, people want to listen to you. After two beautiful directors, one into love, one into action, and because action बोलते तो pollution भी उनके सुनता है. We have Shamak Davar ji, who's curated this whole choreography of Tick Tick Plastic, Bhumi Namaskar, Dhak Dhak Dharti. Shamak ji, please take the mic and share your thoughts with the Bamla Foundation.
I think I don't need to say anything, but I can only dance pollution away for you all. Thank you, Mr. Bamla.
And thank you, Mazi, also for being here. Now, can we have before we everyone on my left and the right both, let's have the poster release of a very important film. So we're launching a first movie, which is Pyasa. Okay, I've got a message. So we're doing the earthing first. Asif bhai, please. Earthing, yes. Now we are unveiling the poster. After that, you have to just rise the banner. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am, हाथ आप.
Just turn it around, and we have the official poster launch. Yeah, Bhushan ji, turn it.
Hey, still.
1, 2, 3. Can we have it on the screens as well? Yes, this is Earthing. Very beautiful, Ajay Devgan ji and Sharvari both. Now I request Honorable Municipal Commissioner ji to please press the button at the plasma. Okay, we'll have the second poster release as well. Okay, so let's have the second poster.
अरे गिम्बल नीचे लो ना यार. देख क्या रहा भाई?
This is cinematic in 1980s. Now in 3, 2, 1, let's unveil this. It's called Pyasa.
समोर बघा मोबाईल आहे.
Something which is really bad for the human health. Also, single-use plastic is the mission which we are fighting for. Rohit ji, Imtiaz ji, thank you so much for actually Imtiaz ji getting the thought of Pyasa. When we were unveiling the poster of Pyasa, people were very confused. But what a thought behind this, that हमारी प्यास अगर कोई बचाएगा तो वो पानी वो बचाएगा जो धरती को ज़्यादा प्यासा ना करे. Now I would request to please felicitate our guest. Hashim ji, please send the trophy of Bamla Foundation, and Mr. Bamla would give the memento to Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji. Yes. Are we all ready now, Hashim? Now I would request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please felicitate Mr. Ajay Devgan ji with a beautiful momentum from the MCGM and Raven Group. Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, you, Bhushan ji, आप please आगे रहिएगा. I'm calling Sharvari ji to please come and receive this honor from Honorable Commissioner. Please, sir, आप. Very beautiful momentum from the MCGM and the BMC and the Raven Group. Tree of Life. It's a very meaningful momentum given by the Raven Group to Sharvari Bagh. It's Tree of Life. I'll request the Honorable Director, Mr. Imtiaz Ali ji, to please come and collect this. Beautiful. Yeah, please come. I would request Mr. Vijay Karia ji also to please join. Mr. Vijay Karia ji. Yes, sir. Yeah, one. Okay, there's one spot. First, let's felicitate Mr. Rohit Shetty ji. Vijay ji, आप यहीं रहेगा. Rohit ji, please आइए. Bamla ji, Mr. Vijay Karia ji from Raven Group, and Mr. Gagrani ji presenting this beautiful moment to Mr. Rohit Shetty.
मोबाइल
सर इकडे समोर बघा
समोर रोहितजी समोर व्हिडिओसाठी
थँक्यू
थँक्यू
I would request Vijay Karia ji to please felicitate Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji with beautiful. Okay, we have some really beautiful momentums to come out to people who have supported this. Mr. My very favorite Mr. Ranjit Mitra ji to please come.
मी स्वतः वाई गेलोय तेव्हा माझा एडिटर पुढे झालं
I request Rohini Iyer ji. I request Mr. Shamak Davar ji to please come and receive this beautiful momentum from the BMC. Big applause for Mega Shray Chairman, Founder Seema Singh ji. Can I have the BMC trophy? Thank you much. Mr. Lalani ji. Mr. Dhruv Talwar, the Associate Vice President Corporate Brand and Communication, Mr. Dhruv Talwar ji. Big applause for Godrej supporting and actually, yeah. Thank you Godrej Industries for being part of it. And from Laksh Vidya ji. मेरे पास है. Thank you Rohit ji for reminding me actually. Before we have the question and answer, I would request Azim bhai. Yeah, so you ask.
And you played a cop, a warrior, even Shiva himself. But today you're donning into a role of a climate warrior. what made you say yes to this campaign? The people would like to know.
Good afternoon, everybody. For one, I'm very happy that this campaign was offered to me. I have always been very concerned about the global warming issue. I mean, before it became so big, I'm talking about nearly 10, 12 years ago when people used to hardly speak about it. I was always very concerned and I used to follow things and I used to talk to my children about it. And I really felt that what Rohit also said, I used to always feel that we were trying to do so much and the only excuse we have when we say we're trying to do so much is for our next generation, for our children and things like this. But what if they don't have a place to live? So this always did concern me, and I think I always thought of protecting, trying to protect. And my way of doing it is by creating awareness. Whatever little bit I can do myself, I do, definitely do, like switching off lights and things like this. But it has to be done, each person has to do it. So we can only create awareness and सबको साथ में जुड़ना पड़ेगा, तभी ये हो सकता है, वरना ये नहीं हो सकता.
Being so thoughtful. And we have the Honorable Guardian Minister, the Cabinet Minister, and a very favorite MLA Advocate Ashish Shirarji. Big round of applause for the family of Bamla Foundation. He's been guarding the Mumbai now, but he's been guarding the Bamla Foundation from last 2 decades. The man with the heart of environment and the changes he has been. And this beautiful film which we have shot of earthing, a beautiful promenade which we have created at the Bandra Reclamation, was the brain behind this whole beautiful concept of the Bandra Promenade, was by Mr. Ashish Shirar. Big round of applause for Ashish Shirar. Ashish Shirar जी, आपने जो बहुत बढ़िया reclamation promenade दिया, आशीष जी ने इस Bandra Promenade का इतना खूबसूरत तरीके से बनाया है, the entire stretch, that we got the opportunity. इम्तियाज जी और हम जब वो location पे गए, आशीष जी, the best thing what he like, नहीं ये grass बहुत अच्छी है, the view is very beautiful. So that everything was created by Mr. Ashish ji. The brainchild behind this promenade was Mr. Ashish Shirar. And Ajay ji has had now. I request Ajay Devgan ji, Asif Bamla ji, Imtiaz ji, please felicitate our Honorable Minister, Advocate Ashish Shirar. No, sir, felicitate. Sir, please, यहाँ जाइए ना. We want a photo op. Sir, please. Again, no, sir, please. Can I have the trophy, please? The momentum and that's happening. And Mr. Vijay Karya ji also, please come. Bhushan ji. Pratham, a very beautiful momentum from the MCGM and from the Raven Group, Tree of Life. Ashish ji, without taking much of time, your thoughts behind this. Okay, आइए sir, please. आपके बहुत busy schedule था आज and you took out time for this. Thank you so much, sir. And the media was absolutely anxiously waiting for you. So the mic is.
सभी को नमस्कार. देरी से आने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, लेकिन डीपीडीसी की मीटिंग थी और वहाँ पर पूरे सबब उसका आने वाले 1 साल का पूरा बजट और प्लान ये डिसाइड होना था. इसके कारण थोड़ी देरी हुई. यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी सम्मानीय अतिथि, बामला फाउंडेशन ने हम सबको यहाँ पर बुलाया है तो एक नए काम के लिए बुलाया है। वो हर साल वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे बहुत धूमधाम से कहते हैं, धूमधाम से भी ज़्यादा रियल वर्क, एक्चुअल वर्क, उस दिशा में काम करने का प्रयास हर साल उनका दिन ब दिन आगे बढ़ रहा है। शहर का भी मैं स्पेशल, कहाँ गई सर, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने भी बीच क्लीनिंग हो, कहीं पर वेस्ट फ्रॉम द वेस्ट बेंचेस क्रिएशन हो, CSR फंड लाना हो, स्टूडेंट्स को स्कूल्स में भामला फाउंडेशन की तरफ से अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम, सम क्विज, सम कंपटीशन, और उसके साथ हमारी BMC इस अभियान को मुंबई महानगर पालिका बहुत आगे लेके जाती है। वैसे पूरे देश में शायद एकमेव कॉरपोरेशन BMC होगी कि जो हर साल जुलाई में एनवायरनमेंट स्टेटस रिपोर्ट, एक रिपोर्ट जनरेट करती है और उसमें पूरे साल भर क्या एक्टिविटी की और कहाँ पर हम हैं, मे बी सी वाटर क्वालिटी टू एयर वाटर क्वालिटी, और उसमें BMC का भी बड़ा योगदान है। लेकिन इसको और लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए आप जैसे लोगों की ज़रूरत होती है। रोहित भाई, आप जैसे लोगों की इम्तियाज़ में आपकी भी, अजय भाई, और जब आप लोग कहते हैं, लोगों को अपील करते हैं, तब और भी उसका प्रभाव स्वाभाविकता से लोगों में होता भी है और एक्टिविटी भी उसके कारण बढ़ती है। तो ये अर्थिंग नाम का जो कॉन्सेप्ट, सॉन्ग क्रिएशन एंड अवेयरनेस, ये पूरे मुंबई में नहीं, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, पूरे देश में चले और इससे प्रचार प्रसार हो और इतने लोग आए हैं। तो रोहित भाई तो मेरे हर प्रोग्राम में आते भी है, आपने देखा भी है कि हम और भी कुछ ओपन स्पेसेस क्रिएट करना चाह रहे हैं जिससे पूरे मुंबई को लाभ हो। उसमें आपको भी आना है, हम सब लोग मिलकर एक ओपन स्पेस क्रिएशन जो मुंबई की लंग्स जैसी जिसकी मान्यता है वो BMC के साथ क्रिएट करेंगे। उसमें भी आप सबका योगदान रहे। भामला फाउंडेशन को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
आशीष जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और एक लास्ट स्पीकर, आई वाज पर्पसली वेटेड यू टू नॉट टू स्पीक बिकॉज आई वाज वेटिंग आशीष शिलाजी। शर्वरी वाघ जी, योर थॉट, योर कोलैबोरेशन on this film with the Bhamla Foundation. Ajay ji, we were waiting for Shilaji and then you to speak. Now please share your thoughts of the collaboration with the BMC and the Bhamla Foundation.
Good evening to everyone in the audience and all the dignitaries on the dais. Thank you so much to Asif sir, to Seher and the whole Bhamla Foundation for not just doing the work that they do, but also encouraging everybody else to do the good work and to help the environment in every way possible. This film is actually really sweet and very special. Thank you, Imtiaz sir, for directing me. It's always been a dream come true, and I've always wanted to be directed by you, so this really feels special. And thank you so much, Ajay sir. It was really so much fun working with you, hanging with you, having a side chat with you through the times that we shot the film, and I can't wait to hopefully be on some set with you again. Thank you Bhushan Gagrani ji sir and everyone at the BMC who do such amazing work for our city, for our country. Thank you so much Ashish ji for everything that you do for our city, for our country, and I just would like to say one thing, that this awareness campaign is especially for everybody, also the youth, and I think the only thing I would say is that don't wait for change, be the change. And the most special thing about the film is that it says dharti ka take care karo apne style mein, and that I really like because I'm also learning, and I think all of us are, and that apne style mein is important because do whatever and as much as you can do. So thank you so much.
I know Ajay ji has to leave because he was the first to arrive. A quick one.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Sejal. I'm from Dainik Bhaskar here in the center. Yeah. मेरा क्वेश्चन रोहित जी से, इम्तियाज जी से, अजय जी से और शर्वरी जी से है कि आप इन्वायरमेंट के लिए क्या बदलाव चाहते हो और क्या बदलाव आप कर चुके हो.
अजय जी फैन ऑफ कर देते हैं जब बाहर निकलते हैं कमरे से, और नीरज जी भी करते हैं, ये भी पता चला है. और एक्चुअली हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे सेट्स पे प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स ना हो, और बहुत मुश्किल होता है फिल्म शूट में प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स का ना होना, बट वी ट्राई टू डू दैट एंड ऑल लाइक यूज़ लेस. तो बचपन में मैंने सुना था प्लीज़ यूज़ लेस, सेव एनर्जी, पल्स. You know, so I remember that as a kid, and I have always executed that. I think all of us can do that. Over to Rohit.
It's like when I spoke earlier also, it's just not one thing. It's gradually day-to-day life. There is so much of progression also happening. There are so many products coming in, which you have to be careful whether we should use this or not. There are solar panels now, like you get for your buildings, like for electricity. Now you see the EV cars are also coming. So these are the small things which are very important, you know. And day-to-day basis pe hum exactly every day we all are aware of, like Imtiaz said, about electricity and everything. But on day-to-day progression, like how can we help? Not only us, our family, but the authorities as well. And how can we be a part of them? And be helpful to them, not only complaining कि ये ऐसा हो गया, but being a part and being helpful to them, because they are not answerable to us. We are answerable to our city. We are answerable to our country.
I think like everybody said कि सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ करना पड़ेगा. मैं ये ज़रूर समझता हूँ कि अचानक आप सिर्फ इसके बारे में सोचें और लाइफ अपनी पूरी चेंज कर दें, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. लेकिन अगर आप छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करने लगें तो हर बात पे अगर आप कॉन्शियस रहें और जो भी आप कर रहे हैं उसमें सोचें कि इसमें नुकसान कितना है और फ़ायदा कितना है. जैसे मुझे 5 साल हो गए, मैं प्लास्टिक की बोतल यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ. प्लास्टिक में पानी पीता ही नहीं. तो 5 साल से इट्स बीन अ रूल इन माय हाउस. मेरा भी है. जैसा इम्तियाज़ कह रहा था कि आई एम वेरी कॉन्शियस कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्ट ना हो. और सिंपल थिंग्स ऑल्सो, लाइक कि अगर कोई कहता है लेट्स गो फॉर अ ड्राइव, मैं बोलता पोल्यूशन क्यों बढ़ा रहे, यू नो, फ्यूल वेस्ट. सो दीज आर स्मॉल थिंग्स जो दे आर नॉट सैक्रिफाइसेस, दे आर बीइंग. आपको सिर्फ कॉन्शियस रहना है कि इससे क्या नुकसान हो सकता है. उतनी चीज़ें अगर हर आदमी करने लगेगा तो आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क पड़ेगा. किसी एक आदमी के बहुत बड़े करने से ज़्यादा बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड दैट्स इट. एंड वी आर हियर ओनली बिकॉज आप लोग से थोड़ा बहुत प्यार जो हमें मिला है, तो हमें कभी कभार ऐसा लग जाता है कि 1-2 बातें आप लोग हमारी सुन लेते हैं, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं बोलने की, ताकि आवाज़ कानों तक पहुंच जाए. फिर करना नहीं करना तो लोगों के हाथ में होता है, बट हम तो कोशिश करते रहेंगे.
Thank you, Ajay. That was so thoughtful.
I think most of the points were covered by Imtiaz sir, Rohit sir and Ajay sir, but since you asked that if there's something that we do in our personal lives, I think the smallest and the simplest thing would be to reuse. And I think that what I generally do, even when I go for shoots, I carry my own cutlery and I carry on my own plate. It's a really small thing, but it's important that you're not using something and throwing it. You're just bringing it from home and eating, and everybody can take it to their office and wherever you go, really. So that's something I do, but I think everything else they have covered, and thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you very much. This brings an end to this powerful afternoon. Thank you very much, each and everyone. I will request Seher Bamla to please vote of thanks to all our guests.
Hello. Hi. Thank you. Make a small change, and this was the best medium because lectures are really boring and nobody wants to hear it. So maybe in this manner, we can create awareness and we reduce using single-use plastic, recycle shorter distance, and like what everybody mentioned. And yeah, before we all leave, can we take a nice group picture over here so we can take
Mancha Garona, the producer, please come in the frame. Come. Come, Romanchak.
बैठा नीचे
The Honorable DMC, Mr. Vishwas Mote, I just saw you, sir. Vishwas Mote is here. And the board officer, Mr. Dinesh Paliwal, we need to give one sapling to. Can I have a sapling, Hashim? Sapling ek dena. The DMC Zone 3, Mr. Vishwas Mote, and the Assistant Municipal. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There's a refreshments for the media, and we thank you everyone for being part of this. Yeah. And can I have this?